Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix can't schedule a post on Instagram. For this, first of all, take a screenshot of the page and go to just check your phone, then go for report a problem and include and continue and upload your screenshot from here from your gallery, then explain that you want that feature or thing on your account. After that, just go for thank you and just click on send. Within few hours or 1 or 2 days, Instagram fix your problem. After that, you can get okay you can get your that you can get your that schedule option here. Just go for next and go for advanced settings, and you can schedule your post from here. So that's it, that's the process. This is how you can get your schedule the post option on your Instagram account. Hope this video helped to you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.